Hi, welcome to my channel Economics Made Easy by Sumaira Shabnam. Structure of International Monetary Fund IMF. The fund has a board of governors as there are 24 member states, 24 executive directors and a managing director and staff. Collectively they are all the leaders of IMF. Today I am going to talk about the structure of International Monetary Fund or IMF. Board of Governors. Here are a few subtopics relevant to the Board of Governors which I am going to state briefly one by one over here, and then we'll switch to the Executive Committee. Board of Governors continued. All powers of the IMF are vested in its Board of Governors on which all member states are represented. Each member state appoints one governor and one alternate governor who may vote when the principal governor is absent. As a custom, a government appoints the Minister of Finance, the President of its central bank, or another high-ranking official as its governor. The principle that applies in most international bodies, one nation, one vote, does not apply in the IMF Board of Governors. Multiple votes are assigned to IMF member states, more votes being assigned to those subscribing larger quotas to the fund's resources. Each member has 250 votes plus one additional vote for each SDR, 100,000 of its quota. For each 100,000 of SDR, they have one additional vote. The SDR is an international reserve asset created by the IMF in 1969 to supplement its member countries' official reserves. The value of the SDR is based on a basket of 5 currencies: the US dollar, the euro, the Chinese renminbi and Japanese yen, and the British pound sterling. Each governor is entitled to cast all the votes allotted to his country as a unit. On certain matters, however, voting power varies according to use made of the fund's resources by the respective member. IMF decisions are made by simple majority of the votes cast unless otherwise stipulated in the Constitution. Except for such basic matters as admission of new members, quota changes, and the like, the Board of Governors delegates most of its powers to the executive directors of the fund. The Board of Governors has an advisory committee, the International Monetary and Financial Committee IMFC, formerly known as the Interim Committee, which meets twice a year. Its composition reflects that of the executive board, each country that appoints and each group that elects. An executive director also appoints a member to the IMFC. These members are governors of the fund, ministers, or other comparable or people of other such ranks. Executive Board. Executive Board is the second part of the structure of IMF. It also performs the functions delegated by the Board of Governors. The 24 executive directors and 24 alternates of the IMF are responsible for the fund's general operations, and for this purpose they exercise all the powers delegated to them by the Board of Governors. They function in continuous session at the fund's headquarters and meet as often as business may require, usually several times a week. Of the 24 executive directors, 5 are appointed by the countries having the largest quotas, that is United States, Japan, Germany, France and United Kingdom, and the other 19 are elected by regional groups of the remaining members. The IMF's managing director also serves as chairman of the executive board. The managing director, who is chosen by the executive directors, is responsible for the conduct of the ordinary business of the fund. He is appointed for a 5-year term and may not serve concurrently as a governor or executive director of the IMF. The managing director chairs meetings of the executive directors. The managing director may vote only in case of a tie. Thank you.